Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to use BESAN, which is also known as gram flour, for straight 7 days as a face wash. And you already know how much I love to use gram flour. It has amazing benefits. It works as a stain remover, and it's a great exfoliator. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So as you can see my pimple over here, and it's a really big pimple and it's a small pimple over here. So let's see what happens to them after 7 days. So how gonna we use besan? So I'm taking besan on my palm and mixing it with water and just applying as a face wash. Massage it for 30 to 40 seconds and you are good to go. You can wash it with the water and follow up with the moisturizer. Now I want to show you my first day result as much as close as I can. The second, and I'm using besan as a face wash and as well as a scrub. So massaging it for 30 to 40 seconds and wash it with the water and follow up with the moisturizer and showing you the result of the second day. It's a great result. It's an amazing result. So it's a third day and I'm not gonna bore you with the same scrubbing thing and directly showing you the result, and I'm just amazed. It has a great result, really. It's a day 4 and my pimples redness is gone. Oh, it's a day 5th and my pimple is settled. It's not popping out. It's day 6 and my pimple is lighter than ever. You can see it's lightest. So it's a day 7, last but not least. As you can see, my pimple is almost gone. Not completely, because nothing can make a difference in saving days. And if you do follow continue, then it will totally gone. And my forehead pimple is completely gone. And my hyperpigmentation is lighter, and look at this glow. It looks so much more than amazing. My skin is glowing so good. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please use the besan. I love it and you will also love it. Bye bye.